delightful welcome to one and all present here. We have eventually come together to the most awaited, the most jubilant event of this academic year, the annual day of kindergarten and the graduation ceremony of our little beginners. I welcome you all for this annual event. Let me introduce myself. I am Miss Anita Gibson, along with my co-hosts for the evening,
Miss Iram Wasim
and Muhammad Fasil.
It gives us immense pleasure to be your host for today's gala event.
Kindergarten is where the adventure begins. The adventure of their learning, adventure of their growing, adventure of their doubts, adventure of their talents. So to celebrate this, we present to you our kindergarten team with some surprises. For the successful conduct and completion of every program, we need the blessings of the Almighty. To invoke the Almighty, we have the Quran recital.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
I request everyone to please stand up to embrace the country we live in with the national anthem. I request the presence of Miss Preeti to welcome the gathering.
Take pride in how far you have come. Have faith in how far you can go. But don't forget to enjoy the journey. Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Miss Preeti, and I'm absolutely delighted to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to our kindergarten annual day and graduation event. This evening, we gather to celebrate the incredible journey of our little stars, the graduating class of year 2023-24. I welcome our esteemed and respectful principal, Mr. Saji Umman, our supportive and encouraging vice principal, Ms. Raufia Salam Shiburaj, kindergarten head, Ms. Sabita Naidu, kindergarten CCA in charge, Ms. Anzi Janshid, senior supervisors, cherished parents, distinguished guests, teachers, non-teaching staff, and of course, our precious children. Your presence here tonight fills our hearts with immense joy and pride. This evening is not just a culmination of a year's worth of hard work and dedication. It's a celebration of growth, love, and endless possibility. Today, as we bid farewell to our graduating class, we do so with mixed emotions, We also acknowledge the bittersweet realization that they are moving on to new beginnings. As we celebrate the accomplishments of our graduating class, let us also take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated educators and staff. Your unwavering commitment to nurturing, guiding, and inspiring our children is the cornerstone to their success. Thank you for your tireless efforts and the profound impact you have had on shaping the minds and hearts of our young learners. To the class of 23-24, congratulations on reaching this significant milestone. May your journey ahead be filled with boundless opportunities, laughter, and endless moments of wonder. Once again, I welcome everybody with my pleasant greetings. Please sit back and enjoy the event. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Preeti, for this warm welcome. IFIA, Emirates Future International Academy, being one of the most prominent schools in the UAE, aims at providing a holistic approach that focuses on nurturing young minds, fostering creativity through a variety of activities, play-based learning, and interactive experiences. To celebrate the achievements of these young ones and appreciate them, we have organized this graduation ceremony. I invite on stage our esteemed principal, Mr. Saji Uman, and Vice Principal, Ms. Rafia Salam, to do the honors. I request Ms. Abida Naidu, in charge kindergarten, to join them on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is the time to recognize and celebrate the accomplishments of our bright and talented kindergarten students. To begin with KG2A, let us give a huge round of applause and welcome the proud mentor of KG2A, Ms. Divya Jha. Ms. Divya has been a very energetic teacher, dedicated to her work and contributed to the academic and personal growth of her students. Here we begin with Shenza Fatima. She is calm and composed and always completes the work on time. Congratulations, Shenza. Muhammad Nahyan. He is energetic, good in academics, and approachable to his friends. Congratulations, Nahyan. Devarsh Devdas. He is cheerful and his adaptable nature allows him to excel in all subjects along with extracurricular activities. Congratulations, Devarsh. Emmanuel Janish. He is dynamic and actively engaged and occupied with tasks. Congratulations, Emmanuel. Mohammad Zayan. He is very calm and good in collaborative learning. Congratulations, Zayan. Abel Anthony. He is poised and smart. He is very cooperative, very ready to collaborate on group assignments. Congratulations, Abel. Jessa Rose. She is a lovable girl. She is friendly with everyone. Congratulations, Jessa. Emmy Braille. She is friendly and joyful. Her bright mind allows her to grasp complex concepts quickly and excel in her work. Congratulations, Emmy. Brijesh Srinivasan. He is a vibrant and happy child, skilled in thinking logically and solving problems. Congratulations, Brijesh. Mohammad Fayaz. He is bold and caring, intelligent and quick-witted and clever too. Congratulations, Fayaz. Rivan Aaron. He is active and exceptionally talented. He is genius in the class. Congratulations, Rivan. Iza Mohammed. She is an adorable girl and a very good team player. Congratulations, Iza. Dhruv Ajit. He is a brilliant child, quick to understand and learn. He is smart and intelligent. Congratulations, Dhruv. Inaya Fazeen. She is a beautiful and cute girl, thoughtful and always considers others' feelings and needs. Congratulations, Inaya. Hunaida Muhammad. She is sensible, very polite and respectful. Wishing her all the very best. Congratulations, Hunaida. Niranjan Nishant. He is a joyful and calm boy, actively engaged with tasks. He is a good team player. Congratulations, Niranjan. Muhammad Ubada. He is a tender and kind-hearted boy, always willing to work with others. Congratulations, Ubada. Harikpreet Kaur. She is an understanding girl. She is good in collaborative learning. Congratulations, Harikpreet. Ivania Das. She is a vibrant and bold and has good imagination. She is very innovative in her thoughts. Congratulations, Ivania. Bennett Benny. He is always a happy child, quick to notice and respond to things around him. Congratulations, Bennett. Rukaya Mali. She is a brilliant girl, clever at solving puzzles, and has a natural aptitude for the subject mathematics. Congratulations, Rukaya. Tisha Khalid. She is an energetic and lovable girl. She is not only good in the academics, but also a very creative girl. Congratulations, Tisha. Ivan Sam. He is a smart, cool, and studious child. He is always ready for challenging tasks and very good team player. Congratulations, Ivan. Nirupama Gopi Krishnan. She is a cute and sweet girl, always ready to help others and a good team player. Congratulations, Nirupama.
Your graduation from kindergarten is a stepping stone to success. Keep reaching for the stars, little graduates. Thank you and congratulations to the entire team of KG2A. We now begin with KG2B. With great appreciation, I invite Ms. Nazia Ehsan, class teacher of KG2B, a person known for her creativity, enthusiasm, and passion for teaching, and who has impacted her students' education. Here we begin with Bianca Rose Renoy, a versatile student, efficient in academic and also dedicated to her studies. Fariha Wasim Sheikh, a vigilant and attentive student, an adaptable nature which allows her to excel in her subjects. Aiza Saeed, a pleasant and a friendly child, amicable personality, and a great team player. Nubika Raturi, a lively and a vibrant child, animated presentations in class capture the attention of our classmates. Nitara Kevin, a very cooperative and a teamwork-oriented girl, a team player willing to contribute ideas. Kanak Ram Singh Mehra, an artistic girl, versatile skills in art allow her to excel in various mediums and styles. Nida Sheikh, a kind and compassionate child, having or expressing a kind and sympathetic nature towards. Emmanuel Savio, a grateful and thankful by nature, showing gratitude or recognition of benefits that is being received. Muhammad Zayed, an intelligent and quick-witted, bright mind allows her to grasp complex concepts quickly. Rayan Rahul, an energetic and vivacious, full of cheerful high spirits. Devidat KS, an active and occupied, actively engaged with tasks, showing interest towards academics. Dayan Ahil, an diligent, wishing to do what is right, especially to do work well and thoroughly. Sumaya Begum, an optimistic, positive feeling or inspiring for every future event. Zayed M, a devoted, faithful and showing firm and constant towards his classmates in friendship and unwavering support. Aisha Shiaz, competent, capable, having the ability to do something well proficient. Shazil Mubarak, a determined, driven, having a strong desire for success and achievement. Rishan Shabir, amiable, affable, very kind and a pleasant child with a friendly nature towards everyone. Alia Precious, an enthusiastic, thrilled, very enthusiastic and eager to do all the activities that is being given. Adam Subin, supportive and a happy child, always helpful towards the classmates and assist in everyone. Jaden Jobby, curious, showing an interest in learning new things, inquiring mind, constantly seeks answer to challenging questions. Aiden Biju, a pleasant, agreeable, tidy and organized, with neat handwriting and makes notes while studying. Sharan Mirza, always prompt, punctual, towards and full of attendance, he's always with a pleasant personality. Huria Sahid, an innovative and imaginative, having good ideas and a creative approach. Faiza Rafiq, an energetic, colorful and a vibrant personality and excited towards the school events. Shriya Srinath, a kind and a compassionate, expressing kind and sympathetic towards everyone, kind in nature. She's absent for the day. Put your hands together. Huge round of applause to the entire team of B section.
You learned, you played, you made a lot of friends. Thank you, congratulations to the entire KG2B. We are so proud of you. Now we have KG2C. It's my honor to invite Miss Aram Wasim, class teacher of KG2C. Her dedication, creativity and hard work have made a significant impact on her students' education. She is an inspiration and is known for her caring nature. Here we begin with Muhammad Ahrar Ali. He is very respectful and known for his kind nature. Congratulations, Muhammad Ahrar. Muhammad Ramanul Haq. He is so smart in doing activities and his appearance mirrors his intelligence and attention to details. Congratulations, Muhammad Ramanul Haq. Arish Zoraiz. He is enthusiastic and stays alert in class activities. And he is so ready to participate in almost all the classroom activities. Congratulations, Arish. Hana Abdul. She is knowledgeable and effortlessly combines calmness and intelligence. Congratulations, Hana. Muhammad Haris Khan is always eager to study lively with full energy, and actively participates in classroom activities. Congratulations, Muhammad Haris. Adam Afzad. He is respectful, known for his polite manners. His presence creates a positive atmosphere in the class. Congratulations. Rayan Arshad. He is enthusiastic in classroom activities. He is jovial and always ready to share his thoughts. Congratulations, Rayan. Aidan George. He is so punctual and shows curiosity in academics and all the classroom activities. Tanush Venkata. He is so clever, courteous behavior towards teachers and peers is highly appreciated. He shows determination to learn. Congratulations, Tanush. Avisha Thakur. She is so unique, lovable and kind-hearted student and always ready to help others. Congratulations, Avisha. Aisha Muhiddin Basha. She is so keen interest in studies and pays careful attention to every details. She is focused and persistently progresses in all her studies. Sansika Kunba, motivated and determined to achieve academic goals with unwavering dedication. Congratulations, Aisha. Sanshika Kunba. She is so motivated and determined to achieve academic goals. Nandiya Madatil. She is knowledgeable, demonstrating a keen intellect and remarkable grasp of complex concepts. Nandiga Madatil. Nazmin Abdul Halim. She is so charming and enchanting with sweet voice. Congratulations, Nazmin. Hamdan bin Jamshid. He is so adorable and perceptive. His awesome achievements in extracurricular activities and academics are truly remarkable. Congratulations, Hamdan. Neha Rose Rijo. She is obedient and organized, blessed with neat handwriting. Congratulations, Neha. Anabia Kinza. She is friendly and approachable. Her kind gesture towards classmates in need reflects the compassionate nature. Mivan Panchal. He is so kind and diligent, shows excitement to learn. Congratulations, Mivan. Aisha Aina. She is so cheerful and humble. She displays a friendly and respectful demeanor towards peers and teachers. Congratulations, Aisha. Arnav Santosh Kumar. He is so calm and empathetic, always eager to experiment new things. Congratulations, Arnav. Anabia Sheikh. She is so charming and talented, and she takes the leadership roles and congratulations, Anabia. Jaishif Raman. He is so hardworking and studious. His disciplined and steady routine ensures consistent in academics. Congratulations, Jaishif. Parth Vinayak. He is so creative and confident. He is very good at finishing things. And he is also blessed with good handwriting. Parth Vinayak Havel. Congratulations. Basil Jijo. Basil is so calm and composed. He exhibits a positive outlook and attitude in the classroom. He is so thoughtful. Congratulations.
Let's give a huge round of applause to welcome Ms. Preeti Nair, class teacher of KG2D. A teacher like her isn't always easy to find. A teacher whose magical blend of warmth, kindness and expertise has transformed her students' world into a safe, supported and love-filled wonderland. Here we begin with KG2D. Chriswin Jacob, a very cooperative in group activities, showing willingness to work together. Congratulations, Chriswin. Satvik Nallatambi, a responsible member of our class, consistently completing his task, a friendly and a joyful child. Congratulations, Satvik. Mithun Ramesh Kumar, a kind and empathetic towards his classmates, showing care towards everyone. Congratulations, Mithun. Mohammad Aris Sheikh, a very friendly child. Friendly nature makes him approachable. Congratulations, Mohammad Aris. Aisha Zahreen, a very cheerful child with a helpful nature towards everyone and willing to help his peers without hesitation. Congratulations, Aisha. Alankrita Rajesh, a very attentive and lovable girl, showing respect towards teachers and classmates. Congratulations, Alankrita. Dhwani T, a quick-witter and capable of handling challenging projects. Congratulations, Dhwani. Adinath Pradeep, a very friendly and a joyful champ. Congratulations, Adinath. Laiba Fatima, a cheerful and a happy child, considerate nature, and is evident in the way she helps her class in needs. Congratulations, Laiba Fatima. Mohammad Hamdan, a friendly and a joyful and cooperative champ who is always ready to collaborate on group assignments. Congratulations, Mohammad Hamdan. Mohammad Mikdad, an intelligent and a friendly champ, very particular about his work and strives for excellence. Congratulations, Mikdad. Mohammad Zayed, an energetic and brilliant child who stays alert in class, always ready to participate. Congratulations, Zayed. Parvati Pradeep, a charming girl, friendly nature always makes her approachable and she easily makes new friends. Congratulations, Parvati. Afan Anjilat, a very well-behaved child, adaptable nature and excels in his academics. Congratulations, Afan. Fatima Salam Askari, a lovely and active child. Her bright mind allows her to grasp the concepts quickly. Congratulations, Fatima. Shriha Sanal, a very creative, and her approach to art projects is amazing. Congratulations, Shriha. Rishabh Arun, a very calm child and very calm and kind towards his classmates. Congratulations, Rishabh. Isabel Sibi, a very cheerful child, kind gesture towards classmates reflects a compassionate nature. Congratulations, Isabel. Sidra Fatima, a happy child and always happy to help her peers. Congratulations, Sidra. Fatima Ashraf, she's always very caring and shines in her actions and very empathetic and compassionate towards everyone. Congratulations, Katma. Amrit Singh, throughout the year, Amrit has consistently friendly behavior and a warm smile and is quick in completing his task, very friendly and joyful. Congratulations, Amrit Singh. Shriya Hari, an artistic and lovable child, and has proven to be a responsible member of her classroom. Congratulations, Shriya Hari. Mohammad Hassan Jilani, An energetic, intelligent child and clever and quick-wit never fails to impress the class, leaving a trail of laughter and admiration. Congratulations, Mohammad Hassan.
Graduating from kindergarten is the first feather in your cap. Fly high and achieve more. Thank you and congratulations to all the graduates. Now we have KG2E. Let's give a huge round of applause and welcome Miss Ninu Saju, class teacher of KG2E. A teacher known for her comforting nature, her sincerity, creativity, and ingenuity in teaching have inspired her students to be curious and passionate about learning. Here we begin with Aaron Thomas Febin. He is so happy and enthusiastic. His friendly nature makes him approachable. Congratulations, Aaron. Rayan Ahmed. He is so thoughtful and creative. Congratulations, Rayan. Rohit. He is so lovable and exuberant. He is very good in doing classroom activities. Congratulations, Rohit. Muhammad Anas. He is so joyful and curious to learn more things. Congratulations, Muhammad Anas. Rayan Jilin. He is creative and thoughtful. He is eager to explore new things. Congratulations, Rayan. Kaula Aziza. She is so confident and shows excitement to learn. Congratulations, Kaula. Sarah Muhammad Nazim. She is so gentle and cheerful. She is always respectful and follows the instructions properly. Congratulations, Sarah. Sanvi Sanal. She is so quiet and diligent and good in decision making. Congratulations, Sanvi. Muhammad Fatah. He is so helpful and affectionate. He is honest and trustworthy in dealing with others. Congratulations, Muhammad Fatah. Divya Darshini. She is so kind and sincere and diligent too. Congratulations, Divya. Khadija Afra. She is so charming and talented. She feels empowered to take up leadership. Congratulations, Khadija. Fatima Sahir. She is so polite and cooperative. Her thoughtful gestures of kindness brighten the days of her classmates. Congratulations, Fatima. Alhan. He is so imaginative and energetic and so good in problem solving. Congratulations, Ahlan. Ariana Wilson. She is cheerful and dynamic. Her pleasant personality creates a positive atmosphere in the class. Congratulations, Ariana. Anvi Vaishak. Anvi is so intelligent and she is so eager to learn, experiment with colors and textures. Congratulations, Anvi. Rimsha Fatima. Hardworking and ambitious. She knows great enthusiasm for her artworks. Zaituna. She is so innovative and meticulous. She serves as a mentor to her peers. Congratulations, Zaituna. Anuraj Anish Kumar. He is so brilliant and studious. And he is so good in academics. Congratulations, Anuraj. Umarul Farooq. So kind and respectful. And he excels in mathematical problems. Congratulations, Umarul. Magi Yaini. So matured and sociable, her loyal friendship and unwavering support are highly valued by her peers.
Congratulations, Magi. Zaiva Ain. She is so respectful and generous and a kind-hearted person too. Congratulations. Adik Dev, so calm and empathetic, displays a friendly and respectful manner. Congratulations, Advik. Izza Fatima. She is so ambitious and versatile with good communication skills. Congratulations, Izza. Daksha Parthasarathi. She is so energetic and dazzling. She exhibits a positive outlook and attitude in the classroom. Congratulations, Daksha.
Dream big, little ones. Today's achievement is the first of many more to come. Thank you and congratulations to all the graduates.
Let's give a warm round of applause and welcome Miss Priya Arun, class teacher of KG2F. A teacher known for her unwavering patience, heartwarming compassion, and relentless dedication that ignited a spark of positivity in our students' lives, leaving an everlasting impact. Here we begin with Amina Seba. She is calm and composed and is known for her dedication towards studies. Congratulations, Amina. Naitik Ramjeev. He is energetic and cooperative student, always ready to collaborate on group activities. Congratulations, Naitik. Karan Nair. He is cheerful and always happy to help his peers. His polite manners create a positive and harmonious atmosphere. Hamdan Shahjahan. He is an imaginative and his creative approach towards his artworks results in a unique way. Congratulations, Hamdan. Gitika Mukesh. Gitika Mukesh couldn't join us today. We have Jashan Preet Singh. He is joyful and his jovial nature spreads happiness and positivity among his peers. Congratulations, Jashan. Devnya Dhanish. She is a hardworking and pleasant girl. Creates a positive atmosphere in class. Congratulations, Devnya. Fatima Hisana. She is a lovable and flexible girl, willing to try challenging activities. Congratulations, Fatima. Muhammad Haider. He is enthusiastic and stays alert in class, always ready to participate and engage in discussions. Congratulations, Haider. Afaf Mohit Asham. She is charming and an enchanting dancer. She has every movement executing with grace and precision. Congratulations, Afaf. Shuvarti. She is friendly and the enchanting combination of her sweet voice and a naturally cute manner makes this student truly special. Congratulations. Alina Fatima. She is quick-witted and an astute student, demonstrating a keen intellect and a remarkable grasp of complex concepts. Congratulations, Alina. Manik Sapkota. He is knowledgeable and his effortlessly combines calmness and intelligence. Congratulations, Manik. Sangamitra. She is curious and her genuine interest in the class topics is infectious. Congratulations, Sangamitra. Taimur Faraz. He is perceptive and known for his focused work ethics. The student approaches tasks and studies with a systematic and calm precision. Aisha Mubin. She is lovable and the kind-hearted student, always goes out of the way to help others. Congratulations, Aisha. Avantika Sinoj. She is cooperative and with her calm presence, she silently and persistently progresses. Congratulations, Avantika. Mekadesh Sam. He is generous and is always ready to share and contribute, creating a playful and generous atmosphere. Rinson Arrow. He is respectful and known for his polite manners. The student earns admiration for his respectful conduct. Razal Mehreen. He is smart and is always dressed in a dapper manner. The student's appearance mirrors his intelligence and attention to detail. Shrayan Dev Srijit. He is diligent and is meticulous in his writing, paying careful attention to detail. Congratulations, Shrayan. Devdutt Menon. He is organized and neat handwriting, organizes his notes and makes it more efficient in studying. Congratulations, Devdutt.
The journey of graduation is still not over. Now we have KG2G. With a huge round of applause, let us welcome on stage Ms. Poonam Chaturvedi, the vibrant and versatile teacher of KG2G. A teacher whose dedication to fostering a secure and a caring atmosphere is commendable. Here we begin with Ishan Abdullah, a friendly and helpful child, always ready to collaborate on group assignments. Congratulations, Ishan Abdullah. Rida Ramin, cheerful, friendly child with a helping mentality and always having jovial nature, spreads happiness. Congratulations, Rida. Aishal Afsal, creative and a smart child, a very cooperative student, good in collaborative learning. Congratulations, Afsal. Aishwarya Bhimavarup, a punctual and a smart child. Attendance in class sets a good example for peers in terms of punctuality. Congratulations, Aishwarya. Mavya Ahmed, she's very versatile and good in academics, organized approach in time management. Congratulations, Mavya. Sherwin Dinesh, he's so friendly and a helpful child, participates in every activity with a big smile on his face. Congratulations, Sherwin. Ryan Josh Paul, a supportive and a happy child. He's always helpful to his classmates. Congratulations, Ryan. Muhammad Osman, an energetic, friendly and enthusiastic child in learning. Congratulations, Muhammad Osman. Akanksha Madala, confident, enthusiastic and participates in all the curricular and co-curricular activities. Congratulations, Akanksha. Afra Saleh, calm and friendly child with a cute smile on her face. Congratulations, Afra. Faiza Begum, a well-behaved child with adaptable nature, allows her to excel in her academics. Congratulations, Faiza. Zainab Muhammad Ali, a friendly and sociable. Wonderful nature makes it easy for her to connect with peers and make new friends. Congratulations, Zainab. Sheikha Fatima, an intelligent and a lovable child, competent learner, addresses all the required tasks at her level. Congratulations, Sheikha Fatima. Joel Verghese Lijo, intelligent and an attentive child, his performance has been adequate throughout the year. Congratulations, Joel Lijo. Hania Zishan, loyal, efficient, and a caring child. Her loyal friendship and unwavering support are highly valued by her peers. Congratulations, Hania. Ishra Saleh, a lovely and an active child. Her bright mind allows her to grasp the concepts easily. Congratulations, Ishra. Mariam Mishra, friendly and a very happy-going child. Congratulations, Mariam Mishra. Anas Shahzad, neat and delightful and a friendly child. His neat handwriting and organized notes making, studying more efficient. Congratulations, Anas. Dhanushri, a competent, capable, having the ability to do something well proficient. Congratulations, Dhanushri. Magirini Prabhakaran, friendly and a smart child, her bright mind allows her to grasp the concepts quickly. Congratulations, Magirini. Ria Anna, she's a brilliant and a cheerful child. Her kind gesture towards classmates reflect her compassionate nature. Congratulations, Ria Anna. Mariam Merin, she has been very cooperative in group activities, showing her willingness to work together is always a success. Congratulations, Mariam. Adarsh Pulakat, an attentive and a lovable child. He shows great respect for his teachers and classmates, always treating others with kindness and consideration. Congratulations, Adarsh. Shayak Mohammad Shafiq, an energetic and a brilliant child. He stays alert in class, always ready to participate and engage in discussions. Congratulations, Shayak Mohammad Shafiq.
Now we'll take a short break as it is Maghrib prayer time. We'll resume soon after that.
With great appreciation, we now invite on stage Miss Nishita Obeys, class teacher of KG2H, a teacher known for creating a home-like learning environment. Her creativity, devotion and values for teaching have helped her to learn and grow better. Here comes Hari Kirit. Hari consistently excels in math and science. Congratulations, Hari. Parents, please give a huge round of applause and encourage the students. Ahadia Fatima. With a thirst of knowledge and passion for learning, Ahadia consistently grows. Congratulations, Ahadia. Niranjan Kishore. Niranjan is very pleasant and organized child. His neat handwriting is commendable. Congratulations, Niranjan. Adriti Arun. Adriti's remarkable artistic talents, particularly drawing and coloring, showcases her creativity. Congratulations, Adriti. Hamdan Muhammad. Hamdan is determined and focused. Shadleen Ahmed. Shadleen is gentle and compassionate with a caring nature. Joanna Maria. Joanna is consistently displaying a high level of intellectual curiosity. Congratulations, Joanna. Aiden Siad. Aiden is supportive and happy child. Congratulations, Aiden. Hazal Chinan. Through persistence and hard work, Hazel has made a significant effort in academics. Sanvika Ranil. Sanvika regularly exceeds expectations with her outstanding performance. Congratulations, Sanvika. Megha Rajesh. Megha steadily exemplifies remarkable academic prowess. Congratulations, Megha. Ahmad Maz. Ahmad embodies kindness and compassion. Congratulations, Ahmad. Dikshita Jawahar. Dikshita consistently exceeds expectations with eagerness to learn. Congratulations, Dikshita. Joanne Johnson. Joanne demonstrates significant improvement in various areas. Congratulations, Joanne. Mohammad Saad. Saad is reliable and puts his best effort in all his tasks. Congratulations, Saad. Karthik. Karthik illustrates a positive attitude toward learning. Congratulations, Karthik. Selin Susan. Selin exhibits a genuine love for learning and curiosity. Congratulations, Selin. Janvi Jayadas. Janvi has made notable progress, consistently striving to improve. Congratulations, Janvi. Bhagya Adarsh. Bhagya consistently demonstrates exceptional aptitude and natural curiosity. Congratulations, Bhagya. Alim Afshan. Alim's unwavering commitment to his studies is evident. Congratulations, Alim. Aliza Samad Khan. Aliza's dedication to academic excellence is evident. Congratulations, Aliza. Nakshatra Girish. With a strong enthusiasm for learning, Nakshatra has achieved commendable results. Congratulations. Ishan bin Yasin. Ishan consistently displays dedication to his studies and actively seeks opportunities. Congratulations, Ishan. Mirha Iman. Mirha exhibits a genuine love for learning and a curious spirit that drives to explore. Congratulations, Mirha. Muhammad Afla. Despite challenges, Afla shows remarkable determination and improvement. Congratulations, Afla.
Kind attention. Parents are requested to please make sure that the children doesn't come near to the stage area. I repeat, parents kindly note, children are not supposed to be near to the stage area as the videography is in on process.
We begin with Muhammad Mahin. Mahin is gentle and devoted to his task committed. Congratulations, Mahin. Dwaita. Dwaita is determined to face challenges and inspires her peers. Congratulations, Dwaita. Farzin. She is friendly. Her friendly nature makes her more approachable. Hilmi. He is bright and exceptionally clever, talented boy. Congratulations. Advait Ajish. He is lively with full of energy, active participation in daily activities. Muhammad Hamdan. He is confident and his confidence makes him an effective public speaker. Congratulations, Hamdan. Siddhi Rayani. She is intelligent and shows intelligence especially of higher level. Naisha Nijil. She is adorable. Her awesome achievements in extracurricular and academics are truly remarkable. Ivan Shivokoti. He is creative and imaginative in his arts. Muhammad Murtaza. He is motivated and determined to achieve academic goals. Congratulations, Muhammad Murtaza. Janisa Johnson. She is knowledgeable about a wide range of topics. Congratulations, Janisa. Zayan Shamsher Ali. He is punctual and shows curiosity in academics. Congratulations, Zayan. Sadia Masood. She is a brilliant and exceptionally clever girl and completes tasks on time. Congratulations, Sadia. Aiden Francis. He is kind and helpful to everyone in the classroom. Congratulations, Aiden. Lester Gavinin. He is always happy and creates a positive atmosphere in the class. Kritiksha Manu. She is friendly and jovial in nature, spreads happiness and positivity among peers. Imad Shahid. He is clever, His courteous behavior towards teachers and peers are highly appreciated. Nakshatra Bhupati. She is humble. Her honest approach to group activities help to achieve learning goals. Edgar. He is consistent in approaching every challenge as an opportunity to gain knowledge. Hanna Maria. She is kind, respectful, and helpful while interacting with her peers. Congratulations, Hannah. Adam Zaid. He is eager to explore new things and demonstrate his manners on daily basis. Congratulations, Adam.
Onward and upward, sweethearts. Today is just a glimpse of the greatness you are destined for. Thank you and congratulations to all. Let's give a round of applause and welcome Miss Nidha Harigutan, class teacher of KG2J. A teacher whose novelty, patience and expertise have made a significant impact on her students' education. Here we have Zayan Mohammed. He exhibits enthusiasm and completes his task superbly. Aisha Mariam. Aisha embodies tranquility and she's a keen learner. Congratulations, Aisha. Ayat Fatima. She is so cheerful and impeccable in her works. Congratulations, Ayat. Alvia Rose German. Her proactive approach to group work fosters a positive collaborative atmosphere and encourages her peers too. Congratulations, Alvia. Marwa Milad. She exemplifies generosity and consistently sharing with peers and maintain a cheerful outlook. Congratulations, Marwa. Vaiga Dibin. Very delightful with positive attitude. Congratulations, Vaiga. Hannah Sara. So diligent in her works and dedicated in all the school learning process. Congratulations, Anna. Nihal Vinaya, lovable nature, consistently with positive behavior. Aiza Mariam, she is so efficient in her academics and helps her classmates too. Mohammad Izza bin Basil, so active and engaged in classroom activities. Congratulations, Mohammad Izza. Alex Thomas Mahesh, so brilliant in academics combined with exceptional gross motor skills. Congratulations, Alex. Nainika Shavin, very good in artistic talents, especially model making and drawing. Congratulations, Nainika. Muhammad Adian, with charm and commitment, nurture, and always a helping hand to his classmates. Congratulations, Muhammad Adian. Muhammad Isan, he embodies the timeless saying, slow and steady wins the race. Congratulations, Muhammad Isan. Ritika Krishna, angelic presence, infectious smile, and brings joy in the class. Congratulations, Ritika. Vignesh, so intelligent and answers all the class questions and a perfect example for good friend. Mariam Amrin stands out as an independent learner and excels in her academics. Congratulations, Mariam. Muhammad Rafsan, with a mature character and willingness to assist his peers. Congratulations, Rafran. Muhammad Raihan, very sincere and polite and a perfect example for wonderful friend. Arush Rijul Krishna, enthusiastic in his approach and good in classroom activities. Congratulations, Arush. Muhammad Hanan, he impresses with his generosity and efficiency. Congratulations, Muhammad Hanan. Rutik Mohan Raj,
boundless energy and sociable nature. Congratulations, Rutbik. Mohammad Izan, friendly behavior and willingness to help his peers. Congratulations, Mohammad Izan. Ritvika Sudesh. Ritvika Sudesh. Her diligence and willingness to work exemplifies a perfect classmate. Adam Amal. His adaptability and versatility make him a valuable member in the classroom. Congratulations, Adam.
Your radiant smile today lights up our world. Well done, our little kindergarten graduates. Thank you and congratulations to all the graduates.